Hello, I'm Jadisli Bantol from BHHM3A and I'm here to report Chapter 6 Tourism Public Sector. Learning Objectives. Learning objectives is identify the various government agencies involved in the development and promotion of the tourism industry as well as their functions, describe the relationship of these agencies with one another, explain the possibility of public service as a career in the industry. Introduction. Tourism is a vital economic driver that significantly contributes to national development, job creation, and cultural preservation. To ensure sustainable growth and competitiveness, a strong government involvement is necessary through policymaking, regulation, infrastructure development, and promotional efforts. The public tourism sectors consist of various government agencies that collaborate with private stakeholders and local communities to create a well-structured and thriving industry. By working together, these entities help enhance the Philippine global appeal, ensuring that the country remains an attractive destination for both domestic and international travelers. The Department of Tourism, created under Presidential Decree Number 189, primary policymaking and coordinating body. Responsibilities include supervising all tourism-related government activities, removing barriers to travel and simplifying regulations, promoting the Philippines internationally, accrediting hotels, travel agencies, and tour operators. Philippine Tourism Authority, established under Presidential Decree Number 564, oversees tourism projects and development, collects travel tax as a major source of income, develop tourist zones and resorts, collaborates with private business on tourism projects. Other key government agencies. The National Park Development Committee or NPDC develops and maintains national parks. The National Historical Institute or NHI declares and preserves historical sites. National Center for Culture and Arts or NCCA promotes and preserves Filipino culture. Philippine Conventions and Visitors Corporation or PCVC markets the country for conventions and tourism. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP manages financial policies impacting tourism. National Economic Growth Development Authority or NEDA oversees economic growth strategies including tourism. Infrastructure and tourism support. To ensure accessibility and convenience, several agencies contribute to tourism infrastructure. The Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH develops roads and highways to connect tourism destinations. Department of Transportation and Communication or DOTC regulates land, sea, and air travel. Land Transportation Office or LTO manages vehicle registration and driver licensing. The Maritime Industry Authority or Marina regulates shipping and maritime transport. Civil Aeronautics Board or CAB oversees airlines operation and economic regulations. Economic and investment support. To attract investments and maintain tourism-friendly economic policies, Department of Trade and Industry or DTI facilitates trade and investment in tourism. The Board of Investment or BOI grants incentives and tourism-related businesses. Philippine Economic Zone Authority or PEZA develops special economic zones for tourism. Conclusion. The public tourism sector serves as the backbone of a well-regulated, sustainable tourism industry, ensuring that the country remains competitive and attracting tourists while fostering economic growth and cultural preservation. Government agencies play a vital, crucial role in policy implementation, infrastructure development, investment facilitation, and environmental protection, all of which contribute to a well-rounded and enriching experience for travelers. By continuously improving tourism-related services, regulations, and facilities, the Philippines can strengthen its position as a top global tourist destination, benefiting not just the economy but also local communities and future generations. Thank you for listening.